This is a old beat up ERA insurance padlock. See, it says 4 levers, secure. Doesn't have any other markings on it. Looks like someone tried to hack into it, but gave up after they probably hit this shackle. I don't have a key for it, so I'll have to pick it open for you. And I'm going to do that using these AndyMac tools. These are wonderful, wonderful tools. And I don't even know if AndyMac is in business anymore, or whether you can get these, or where you can get them. And this pick wire that came in the kit. And this was the kit. And it has different size wires and different attachments that go onto the front of the turning tool. This area right here, this comes out and these go in. You have right hand and left hand locks for sash locks that have curtains and non-curtains. And this one here is for locks like square locks that have a post. And it's a very, very good kit. Glad I got it. So let's get this in a vise and see what we can do. We have the locking device, and you can see that it's locked. And close-up AndyMac's turning tool. This unloosens and this tip comes out, and you can replace it with the other tips on the lock you're picking. The wire. Having a difficult time with the wire. See if I can get it in this way. There. We got, all right, I'm going to give it a moderate bit of tension. Start at the back and work my way forward, looking for anything that binds. Pretty springy. I think I got a binder there. Oh, sure do. Trick is to get this out. Yep. There we have it. She's open. Okay, that's an ERA insurance for Lever Padlock. Thank you for watching.